Hello students, we are in chapter number exercise 12.2 and in our last video we had completed up to question number 5 and today we will start question number 6. Now what is your question number 6? Just have a look. Convert the following into days and hours. So we have to convert this into days and hours. So let's begin our question. Question number 6. A. What is our question? Our question is 720 hours and we have to convert these hours into days and hours. Now students, as we know, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So 720 hour is equal to 720 divided by 24. Now when we divide 720 by 24, 24 3s are 20, 72 3 and 0. So what is our answer? It's 30 days. Clear students? So in this way you have to complete all questions given in your book. Now come to the next question. Convert the following into days. Now we have to convert this month and days into days. So what we will do first? First we will convert this month into days and then we will add both the days. As we know, 1 month is equal to 30 days. So let's take question number 7A. What is our question? Our question is 6 months 7 days. As we know, 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 6 months is equal to 6 into 30. That means 6 3s are 18. It's 180 days. Clear? Now 6 months 7 days is equal to 180 plus 7 and 187 days is our answer. Clear students? First we will convert months into days and then we will add both the days. Okay? We will take another example. Just have a look. Example number B, question number B. 6 weeks, 6 days. That means first we will convert these weeks into days and then we will get our answer. Okay. Just have a look. Question number B. 6 weeks, 6 days. Now as you know, 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 6 weeks is equal to 6 into 7. That means 42 days. Now 6 weeks 7 days is equal to 42 plus 6 weeks and 6 days. So 42 plus 6, 48 days is our answer. Clear students? All questions are very easy. So question number B is completed. Now let's take another question. Question number 8. Convert the following into weeks and days. We have to convert these days into weeks and days. It's a question number 8A. What is our question? 16 days and we have to convert these days into weeks and days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then 16 weeks is equal to 16 into 7. 7 is a 42. It's 2. 4 is carrying. 7 1 is 1 and 4 11. 112 days is our answer. In this way you have to complete all question number 8. Then come to the next question. Question number 9. convert the following into months and days. 1 days, we have to convert these days into months and days. 9A, 121 days. As we know, 30 days is equal to 1 month. 121 days is equal to 121 divided by 30. So what is our answer? 3 4s are 120. That means 4 months, 1 days is our answer. Understood, students? In this way, you come to the next question. Question number 10. Convert the following into months. 6 years, 5 months. We have to convert this into months. So let's see how we will solve it. 6 months. It's 6 months. Sorry, 6 years, 5 months. So 1 month, 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 6 years is equal to 12 into 6, 72 months. Now 6 years, 5 months is equal to 72 plus 5 is equal to 77 months. This is our answer. In this way, you have to complete all question number B, C and D. Come to the next question, last question. This is the last question of this chapter. Convert the following into years and months. We have to convert this month into years and months. What is given here? 256 months. 11A. 256 months. So how we will solve it? As we know, 12 months is equal to 1 year. So 256 months is equal to 256 divided by 12. So what is our answer? 12 2s are 24. 1 is left. 12 1s are 12. 4 is left. So it's 21 year. How much left? 26. 20. 12. 12, that means 4 months is left. So what is our answer? Our answer is 21 years, 4 months. Okay. So in this way, you have to complete all. We will take another example of this question. Just have a look. 400 months. So how we will solve it? Just have a look. Question number 6. 400 months. So 12 months is equal to 1 year. 400 months is equal to 400 divided by 12. It's 12 3s are 36. Then 4 is here. 36 years. Sorry, 33 years. 36 4 months. So this is our answer. 33 year 4 months. 12 3s are 36. Yes. In this way, you have to complete all your questions. I explained here question number 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10 and 11. This chapter is completed, students. So solve all these questions. What is left? solve all these questions in your book, in your notebook. This is your today's classwork, and we will start next chapter in our next class.